Okay, now we do, what should we do now? Yes, no, not given. Yeah, that's better. Question number 27. Wegener's ideas about continental drift were widely disputed. Ideas, underline widely disputed while he was alive. So if his ideas were widely disputed while he was alive, answer is yes. If the ideas were disputed after his death, answer is no, and otherwise not given. First paragraph, yeah. Third last line, the origin of continents and oceans went through four editions and was the focus of an international controversy in his lifetime. So, in his lifetime, international controversy. Now, what is the word for international controversy? Widely disputed. And lifetime, he was alive. Correct answer is yes. Question number 28. Idea that continents remained fixed in place was defended in a number of respected scientific publications. If the idea of continents drifted, remained fixed in place, and it was defended in a number of respected scientific publications, it will be true. If the idea was not defended, defend means people said the idea was true. But if they did not defend it, it means the idea was false. So let's go on to second paragraph. Okay, third line. All right. Wegener's basic idea was that many mysteries about the Earth history could be solved if one supposed that the continents moved laterally, rather than supporting that they remained fixed in place. Wegener showed in great detail how such continental movements were plausible and how they worked using evidence from a large number of sciences, including geology, blah, 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 and information. The fact that idea that continents remained fixed in place was defended in a number of respected scientific publications. Scientific publications mean newspapers, magazines, articles. There is no mention on that, so answer is not given. Listen, the context is this. They say idea was defended in a number of respected scientific journals. So what is the next line? Yeah, using evidence from a large number of sciences. It's not articles or magazines or newspaper. Number of sciences including geology. Now geology is a science. Geology is not article or magazine or newspaper. Okay, question number 29. Wegener relied on a limited range of scientific fields. Underline, Wegener relied, then underline limited range of scientific fields to support his theory of continental drift. Same paragraph. Okay, second paragraph, and it's the, okay, second paragraph and third line. Wegener showed, found it? Wegener showed in great detail how such continental movements were plausible and how they worked, using evidence from large number of sciences, including geology, geophysics, paleontology, and climatology. And what is the question? Limited. And what is the passage? Unlimited. So answer is no. Okay, question number 30. Similarities between Wegener's theory of continental drift and modern day plate tectonics. You might have heard this word whenever there are earthquakes. They use the word plate tectonics. So, similarities between Wegener's theory and modern day plate tectonics are enormous. So, if similarities are enormous, answer is true. If there are no similarities, answer is no. And if they don't talk about it, then it is not given. Now look for the word plate tectonics. Okay, so it's second paragraph, 8th line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th line. Plate tectonics is in many respects quite different from Wagner's proposal. Quite different. Enormous similarities. No, they say quite different. So answer is no. Well done.